Welcome to Saitechinfo, my dear faculty members, tutors, and other subject matter experts. In this session, I would like to introduce you about the cornell notes. We used to call CIS notes, C-I-S. C stands for cornell and I stands for infographics, S stands for sketch note. So cornell notes, infographics, sketch notes. So we want to develop such type of notes for our regular studies for school and college students and job aspirants also. Here uh, you may be interested to know that is how you will be selected as a tutor in Saitech Informatics. The first thing is you have to submit your lecture notes followed by the demo class. So these are the two important aspects you have to do, and for which there will be four stages. Here you have to first of all clear the sample lecture notes on the assigned topic. Then you had to submit the demo video, or you had to attend the direct demo class in our site. And there will be a discussion with our HR for the cost approval. Then you become a trained Saitechinfo tutor and the projects start immediately. Here, as far as the lecture notes are concerned, I'd like to inform you that it has a particular template, and this has 11 important sections. You can write all these things either that is in a landscape manner or in the portrait form like this. So here, but you have to prefer the A4 sheet. In the first section, that is, it may contain the cover page with the title of the topic. Then you have to mention your name, then when it was created and completed, then how many hours you have worked there. So all these details can be listed in the cover page in the first page. Then you have to create a topic tree, that is list of topic in the form of bullet points. Okay, so what are the contents of the topic? You have to list out all the concepts. Preferably you can put numericals like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So this acts as a checklist. And then if there is any sub points, you can include that one also. Then in the section 3, that is the terms and the definitions, then symbols and important expressions can be listed out with regard to that particular topic that you have been assigned. And then section 4, if your topic has any important data or important equations or formula, you can list out all those things. And in the section 5, you can proceed with the notes as bullet points or concept maps. And whatever the concepts you have listed out, that is organized in the same sequential order. And then section C, if you have got any specific diagrams in that particular chapter, the infographics is given important here. So it can be given as a 2-column. For example, that is, you can draw, if it is the page, you can split this into 2 columns. Here you can draw the diagram and you can list out the important labels on the left side. Then you have to do the sketch note. I will let you know what sketch note is finally. And then if it has any numerical problems, it has to be discussed for each concept. So at least you have to give, that is, 2 to 3 example problems for each concept. And in section 9, that is, there will be some guided problems for each concept. So here you need not give complete detail, you can give simply the clue and the key. And in section 10, you can create some target problems based on the complete chapter. It may contain 12 to 15 questions of up to 30 marks weightage. And then, and for which you can give the clues or the keys only. And then, and it should be based on your chapter notes on for the entire chapter. Then section 11, it should contain, that is where from you have referred, so it means the reference page. So mention the author name, title, class, board, publications, year and page number also. So if you have got more than 6 or 7 references, you please list out all those references. Now let me explain about the cornell notes. This is the template for cornell notes. You take this in A4 sheet, and the top column is of 2.5 centimeter width, where you can mention the title here, and you can put the date also here or page number. And then on the left side, you can draw a margin of 5 centimeter width, where you can list out the contents of this, and important keywords can be, that is organized here, listed out here. And at the bottom you can leave 5 centimeter gap, where you can write down the summary, that is short notes, hints, formula or memory tips or mnemonics, etc. And in this wide area you can make use of your bullet point notes. So if there is any subheading, you can put the subheading and put the bullet points, and it can be represented as a concept map like this also. And all diagrams can be given here, and there is any subhead 2, that is you can list out as a bullet point, and you can make use of the infographics, that is the organization chart and other mind maps can be drawn here, and you can explain the problems also in this fashion, and all the required formula can be given as a tool on the left side. Okay, and if there is any plot, so that can be given here. Okay, so this is the way you are expected to do your cornell infographics sketch note. And regarding the assignment booking, so we as and when required, we will be publishing in our channel, Telegram channel, that is what are the priority topics are required. All these things will be available here or posted here. So here immediately we require a human digestive system, that is already assigned to a faculty. Then waves, that is also assigned. Then probability, that is also assigned. Kinetic theory, so it is available for booking. Oscillations, it is also available for booking. Then breathing and exchange of gases, that is also booked, so it's already assigned. And then statistics, that is also assigned. Then integral multiplications, it is also to be booked. And we have added another thing, that is a conics, and that is also assigned. Okay. Then regarding that is the notes sources, the sources for preparing the material, you can visit our Saitechinfo.com website, where you got the links for CBSE and state board syllabus. Okay, and then regarding the content creation, once you have been assigned the topic, you have to book here. Okay, so click this, you can book here. So there will be content creation booking, and you have to mention the email address, the name of the tutor, topic, class, level, subject, all these things, and you can fix the tentative hours to complete this project. Okay, then tentative date for submission of the lecture notes, and if there is any remarks, you can include that. Then finally submit this. Okay, right. Then some tutors, they ask me regarding the that is the number of hours to be that is calculated for completing a chapter. So in that case, let me give you some tips here. That is how to fix the duration of the content creation per chapter. It depends on the type of the content. is it not? So some topics may be heavier, some topics may be lighter. So it all depends on the that is the depth of the content and also based on the subject. And here the normal reading speed for descriptive type, it is around 2 to 3 minutes per page with the 200 to 250 words. But if it is a subjective reading and also for taking notes, then it takes 10 to 15 minutes. And for creation of content, probably that is for a chapter, you can use this formula, that is number of pages per chapter into maximum 10 minutes, not exceeding 10 minutes, so that you can arrive at the total hours required for completing a chapter assigned to you. And then correction or fixing of errors and reviews is not included here. And then that is for a question and answer, that is target 2 marks for short answer, 3 marks for medium answer, 5 marks for lengthy answer, and just double the marks to get the minutes, that is duration. So the 5 marks, for example, should be completed in 10 minutes. So this is the way we are also training our candidates, okay? And you may be interested to know some of the sample of 6 notes. Let me open here.
Biomolecules. Carbohydrates, proteins, enzymes, vitamins, nucleic acids are biomolecules. Let us talk about this carbohydrate. The fundamental unit of carbohydrates is CHO. We have enzymes.
So you can, I will give you the link, you can go through that comfortably, okay, so that you can understand what the cardinal notes is. And then, and you can see some of our students, that is integrated notes, that is 6 notes also in this link. In fact, we train our students in such a way that they are very much interested in developing such kind of sys notes. And they have got a special notebook for this, and they adopt this very nicely. And this is one of the examples of a sketch notes where you can find the entire chapter in one page. We used to call it as a cheat sheet also, like in the case of for any coding or any formulations, etc. So for example, this is the topic called the solutions or dilute solutions and colligative properties in chemistry, where they have included the entire concepts in one page. So this can be an one page summary, or it can be spread into 2 or 3 pages also, okay? So this is what we expect. You please go through all these things. If there is any doubt, you can ask me through the Telegram channels, okay? So all the best. Thank you very much.